Chief Electoral Officer ke Jelau Dr. BDR Tiwari. Ule pentep bagi jengdon ginong tak vote ha Meghalaya kalakio da palat kendai lakngot aki arpos nem ke belalej. Bat kene kalong hadian ke jing bishar benia ya ketup kerteng ginong tak vote jong kesnem arhajar arpusan. Bat yak intensive revision kula da penlong ha kesnem arhajar arpusan. Ya kene CEO ule pentep hadian ke jingelang kalau ke jing penkre eka special intensive revision ha kabak election commission kari kerang ya cekmat ban pen bena pentrekam ya ke special intensive revision habar ko kari. Hal kerana gilat patai kubor Dr. BDR Tiwari uliat tua baka jingdan ginong tak vote ada ubnai risau arhajar arpusan kalong arpulailak hendriu hajar laispa prapusau ngut habai nujor bat kasnam arhajar san kablong kat lailak lai pusan hajar praspa kat hendriu ngut keba peni ke jingkio keba krau da kandailak hakabai ka thup kerteng nong tak vote keba kam menshua lepen haka kat san trik uyayong arhajar san Dr. BDR Tiwari ulang magjingdan ginong tak vote ada ubnai risau arhajar arpusan kalong nakaliang kisenrang kat wailak lai punyo hajar lai spa kan rengut kikentai kalong kat wailak ndrep kundai hajar ndrep arngut kat bah kasnam arhajar sanpat kisenrang kidan ndreulak ndrep sa hajar lai spa rengut bat kikentai kidan ndreulak nyopu hajar san spa spongut bat third janda hakasnam arhajar san kimdan satya ndre hakasnam arhajar arpusan kidan ndrengut Ula pentip bro ba ke election commission kari ke lepen bena ban pediang ya ki adhar card kum ki kot ki babiang na kebentaban pendong kerteng ki no tap vote. Nalor ki khat weteli ki kot ki slide ke beladon lupa. Kane karai kawan hadian ke jing betha jong yang syari bahe do jong kari ke Supreme Court ban kentop ya ka adhar kum ka jing pensisai ke jing long trairi. Ya ka adhar card an ken kum ka kot ka ba khatar na kebenta ke jing pendong kerteng ya ki nong tap vote.
Special intensive revision in the state of Meghalaya and whatever to update the media person in respect to the rationalization of polling station especially and the procedural part in respect to the further development. And today we have the political meeting with the representative of honorable political party also. So today we would like to brief, and as well as in line with the preparation of the special intensive revision. So we would like to give an overview in respect to the procedural part of the SIR, and there are the different category of the people. As our earlier SIR in the state of Meghalaya held with a qualifying date 1/1/2005. So the voter list of the 2005 has already been uploaded in our website, and it is already available on our website. So anybody, it is open for the public, so they would like to search also his or her name, their parents' name on the voter list. The search engine option is also there. Then the QR code is also been provided that will help to scan the QR code and then access the search options. So there are the 4 category of the electors to be mapped as per SIR once the process will start. So there are the electors whose names are registered already in the 2005 voter list. So those electors are required to upload and submit only the relevant part of the extract of 2005 voter list along with the enumeration form. So I would like to just give a detailed overview as we are taking and a comparative comparison of the present voter list with the previous special intensive revisions voter list held in the 2005. So as per that voter list electoral roll of the 2005, there were the total 13,35,816 voters were there, and at present in the September 2025 we have 23,06,384 voters, and male female also that time 6,64,306 male voters, presently we have 11,37,316 male voters, and then in 2005 6,71,510 female voters, and presently 11,69,062 female voters. Presently we have 6 third gender voters, while there in 2005 no third gender voter were present in the voter list, sir. So for the this SIR, after the SIR 2005, that voter list is the base document we are taking. So while the election machineries will go to conduct the SIR exercise, so there will be, and one more thing we would like to just clarify, there are the regular special summary revision which is conducted annually each and every year. And what is the difference between SSR and SIR? Then main difference is, in SSR, the whoever apply in the form 6, 7, 8 in those category in respect to inclusion, deletion of the name or correction respectively through these form comes. So their verification only happens through the BLOs on the ground, and the EROs are supposed to take the necessary action to necessary decision in the matter. Once the SIR is done, then not only the new but entire all the voters in respect to the 23,06,384 voters as of now. So all the enumeration forms will be printed. It will be given by the BLOs to them, and then verification of all voters will be done who are the existing one also, and it will not be limited to the new voters. So that is the main difference between SIR and SSR. So 2000 previous SIR happened in the 2005. So based on that one, there are the 4 categories normally the people what kind of document they have to furnish. So as category A, I already told, voter whose names are registered in 2005 voter list, those electors are required to upload, submit only the relevant part of the extract of 2005, and that is already available in the public domain. So along with the enumeration forms, so the printing option will be given once the SIR schedule will be given, but they can search and see their names. So the category B will be the electors whose name are not found in the 2005 voter list, but who were born in India before 1st July 1987. So these electors, category B, are required to upload, submit only self-document along with the enumeration form. Then C category of those voters who were born in between 1st July 1987 and 2nd December 2004, and whose mother or father's name is not registered in 2005 voter list. Only one parent name is missing. So such electors are required to upload, submit the following 2 documents along with the enumeration form. First is the self document, and second is the document of either mother or father. And then other category electors who were born after 2nd December 2004 and whose mother's and father's name are not registered in the 2005 voter list. So such electors are required to upload, submit the 3 documents along with the enumeration form. One is for their self document, second is their mother document, and then father document. So overall, if the names of mother and father of category C and category D voters are registered in the 2005 voter list, then other identification document for parent is not required from them. Such electors are required to submit only their self document along with the copy of the relevant extract of 2005 voter list and the enumeration form. So these are the mandate as per the general preparatory work. So we did, and we do the matching of the 2005 and then 2025 voter list. So in respect to whoever there, so with the current electoral roll we matched, and after that who were born before 1787 and whose number are matched. So total if we see in the state, so out of who were born before 1987 and their name is there in the electoral list, these number in the state are 10,59,510. So we are doing the matching physically also on the ground. This exercise is still ongoing, not yet completed, but till time we found at least around 64% voters name is being matched in that voter list. So it will help these voters at least. So additional document they are need not to, they don't require in that way. So their extract and the self document and whatever mandatory part, it will be sufficient. So there are the in the list the 11 documents for the identification as prescribed. It is extracted, but you just focus on the from 1 to 11. The list is it is mandated in respect to as the document list come. They copied it the Bihar extract, but these 11 documents are the general documents.